All right, guys, I'm out here at Bass Pro Shops, and they have a lot of ammo. Look at that. So I'm gonna go down with this real quick with you all. Show you some of the ammo that they have here. You got the 12 gauge ammo right there. Shotgun 12 gauge. All right, 3 inches right there for $23.99. Excuse me, guys. You got your CCI 22 LR right there. Blazer 22 long rifle right there also. Alright. Got your PowerPoint 22 LR, 222 rounds. Isn't that interesting? Look at that. $27.99. You got your Herders 350 Legend, 180 grain, $29.99. Alright, 5.56 NATO going for $13.99. And I'm gonna let you guys guess the rounds on this because I have to record this pretty quick, guys.
Okay,
all right. Got your 5.7 ammo there. All right, looks like you have your 6mm Creedmoor. Pretty interesting, 100 grain.
All right.
Right there.
380.
6.5 PRC.
But it says defend.
All right. More 6mm, 450
critical defense.
Bushmaster looks like right there too. Oh, there goes some 30 super carry for you guys. I'm gonna zoom in on it right there. 30 super carry right there, guys. You all right, bro? You're good. You're good. No, you're good. Can navigate. Let's see what else we have here. 9mm. Alright, more 9mm ammo. Got your Hornady, your Barnes. 9mm Luger we have right here. 44 Remington, guys.
$15
240 grain.
No, that's good.
We got the white box Winchester 40 Smith & Wesson. 180 grain, $34.99.
Yes, sir. Hello.
We got this right here.
Yeah. What do you need? We got you.
Got your 12 gauge ammo.
Okay. How many boxes?
I'll take 2 boxes.
Which one? This one or this one? 50 or 100? 100.
You got your CCI 22 LR right here, which is pretty good. 300 cartridges on this one for $33.99. That's not bad. All right, 100 rounds, guys. White box Winchester. Oh, we got a big box right there. 500 rounds, $169.99. 9mm Luger. 10mm. Look at that, guys. 180 grain. Full metal jacket. Going for $44.99. 180 grain. 380 auto right there. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's 380 auto. All right, 300 Winchester right there, guys. 7mm. Yeah, that is 7mm. Interesting. 240 Winchester. Yeah, we back at the 308s look like here. Step down on this one right here. It's a continuation of the 308. 243 Winchester right there, guys. 22 250 Remington 55 grain right there. If you missed the. All right, 300 Blackout. See plenty of 300 Blackout right there. Got that. You got your 380 right there. More 9mm.
Unless it's $30. Unless I see some.
All right, you have your 9mm right there, guys. 22 LR. More 22 LR right there. You got a big box right there, it looks like. 800 rounds. 22 LR, $74.99. Right there. All right. Go down to this next row. Got your 45 autos right here, different brands. Sig Sauer, Blazer. You have 200 rounds right there. It looks like $139.99. You got some more 9mm right here, guys. 9mm. We have a Mega Pack 380 right there. That's going for $149.99. You get 250. It looks like in that 95 grain. I'll do the calculations. You'll see it pop up on the screen in a few minutes. All right. That's what we have here. And the last row is kind of packed out here, guys, so I'm trying to move through this. You got 6.5 Creedmoor down at the bottom. I don't see, oh, there goes some of the prices right there. Your 6.5. And you also have your 223, which is that price right there. All right. You got your big boxes of 380 right here, 95 grain. I wonder how much that is. It's probably right there. No, actually, yeah. I wonder, is that the price? No, that was 556 that I just showed you for $99.99. The 380 ammo is $179.99 right there. It looks like, because that's what the label says right here. It looks like 380. All right. You got your 556 right there. Can't miss out that 38 special ammo, $59.99 right there. All right, what you looking for? Oh, the 40, yeah. I try to stock up on that. I think you might have to get somebody over there, like one of them, that they'll unlock it for you. Yep. All right, guys, you got the 45 automatic ammo right there, 45 auto here. And more 45 auto right here, it looks like. You got a big box right there, 500, 45 auto, 230 grain, full metal jacket, $329.99. And you got 1,000 rounds of 22 LR, $69.99, guys. 36 grain. I'll do the math on the screen for you. And guess what, guys? It is 410 ammo in here. 410. See it right there. Those are the prices. Right there. All right, so that's what they look like they have. Right there, you all. They look like they have. Let's look at some guns real quick. Excuse me. Get some of the guns here. What they have. Sorry about that, man. They have here a lot of SIGs, Sawyers, these Sours. Just Smith & Wesson's right here. See what else they have over here. Oh, these are the Rugers, guys. That's that 5.7 right there. Small Rugers. Sorry about that. Yeah, me too again. I'm just getting some YouTube footage, man. Alright. And of course, y'all know the Kimbers are real nice. Those things are so smooth. I just don't like the manual safeties on them. My thumb actually pops it back up, so. Rifles. Some more right here. Yeah, some more at the top here. All right, guys. So please like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell, guys. Excuse me, sir. So when I roll out the latest videos, you'll be able to receive them, guys. And remember,
I'm not from this planet.